Welcome to another One with Math video. Today's video will be solving for the real values of x of this exponential problem. 4 to the power x plus 6 to the power x is equal to 9 to the power x. We'll note that 4 to the power x is greater than 0, so that means it's never equal to 0. So we're going to divide both sides by 4 to the power x. We'll simplify 4 to the power x over 4 to the power x to be 1. 6 to the power x divided by 4 to the power x, we'll use an exponent property that states that a to the power n divided by b to the power n is equal to a over b, the whole thing to the power n. So 6 to the power x divided by 4 to the power x is 6 over 4, the whole thing to the power x. Likewise, 9 to the power x divided by 4 to the power x is 9 over 4 to the power of x. Next, we'll simplify 6 over 4 to be 3 over 2, and we'll rewrite 9 over 4 to 3 squared divided by 2 squared. Now we apply the same exponent property, and we have 3 over 2, the whole thing to the power 2. Don't forget the power of x. Now let's let u equal to 3 over 2, the whole thing to the power x, which is another exponential. So we'll note that u is greater than 0. So we'll substitute this in, and we get 1 plus u is equal to u squared. We now have a quadratic, so let's solve this quadratic by subtracting u to both sides, and then complete the square. So we think, what perfect square would this make? So the coefficient of u is -1, so take half of it and we get -1/2. So to complete the square, we're going to square that to get 1/4. Make sure you add it to both sides. 1 plus 1/4 is 5/4. And now we have this quadratic, and we can take the square root of both sides, which would create an absolute value, which creates this plus and minus. Square root of 5 is square root of 5, whereas square root of 4 is 2. And that's equal to u minus 1/2. Let's add 1/2 to both sides. Now let's move over here to create more space, and let's combine those two fractions into one fractions. So we have u equals 1 plus or minus root 5 all over 2. We'll separate the two, so we have u equals to 1 minus root 5 over 2, and u equals 1 plus root 5 over 2. For the 1 minus root 5 over 2, we notice that 1 minus root 5 is a negative number, so therefore we have u is less than 0. But since we said that u must be greater than 0, this will yield to a no real solution. For u equals 1 plus root 5 over 2, that's going to be a positive number. So u was 3 over 2, the whole thing power x, so we'll substitute it back in. And now we're solving for this exponent. To solve for an exponent, we'll use log. So the exponent x is equal to a log base 3/2 of 1 plus root 5 over 2. And that is our solution to this exponential problem. Like this video, hit the subscribe button for more math content. Thank you.